when I try to load a CD into the CD player, it tries to, it acts like it's loading it, but it doesn't really get very far. So I'm thinking that there might be something stuck in there. I'm not sure. So one of the things I was going to try is what I've used before for different things like this. I'm finding one of the really great household tools that you could get that people probably have never heard of is carpet tape. So what this is, you know, it's not to tout a particular brand, but it's tape that you put underneath edges of carpet to stick it to the ground. How well it works to stick carpet to the ground, I have no idea. But I figured out what I would do is I'm tearing off the end pieces here because I have little cuts in that from something else I was doing. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, I got some carpet tape. And the way this works, it's basically double-sided tape. So what I'm going to try to do is see if maybe there's something stuck in here and see if I can get it unstuck. So what I'm going to do is just put, I got this card, I'm going to put my double-sided tape on here. One nice thing about this versus double-sided tape is I think this stuff is really, it's really sticky, but it sticks to whatever you put it on really well. So it has a tendency to stay on there. It doesn't like to come off. And even one thing that I have a little bit of trouble with is the backing. Even the backing doesn't want to come off. So it's really some sticky stuff. So yeah, you get underneath it like that, it comes off. So this is really pretty tacky. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to fish around in here and see. My CD player might try to grab it, but I was going to look and see if there's anything in here. I'll show you a little bit, and then I'm going to turn off the camera and just play around and see if maybe there isn't a disc. So this truck shouldn't have a disc in it. Being as I bought it used from someone, you wouldn't think they would leave their discs in there. Not getting anything so far. It does feel like something is in there. But it tells that when I try to put a disc in there and play it, it says there's no disc. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to put the key in and see if I get... We'll do this, we'll turn it down all the way. And I'm going to see... So it tries to load. It acts like it's loading a CD. But then it doesn't do anything. It's acting a little bit differently than it did last time. I'm going to get a CD and see if it will go in there or not. Bear with me for a minute. I'm going to shut you guys off. Alright, so I have a couple discs. I'm going to try to see if I can get the... see if the CD player will accept a disc. Ta-da! It's your lucky day. I got some Bill Cosby CDs. I did not buy these. I bought a car, and these were in the car. I was talking about somebody not leaving CDs behind. Well, somebody did leave CDs behind. And these were in the back, you know, where you'd put the map. When people used to carry maps, they there was behind the driver's seats, there was a pocket you could put discs in, or put maps in. People don't really carry maps anymore, probably. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we get lucky. Oh my gosh.
Not from New York City. I was born in Philadelphia, raised in Philadelphia, educated in Philadelphia. And
Wow.
For those of you that, if you plan to come...
I better turn this down. I don't want Bill Cosby to sue me for playing his stuff on YouTube. I wonder if I can put another CD in here. Oh, this must be a single disc. I was thinking maybe, let me see here. I apologize, I don't know how this works, so... Oh, well, it only takes one disc, so that answers that question. But now that we got this going, let's try something here. I'm going to eject it. See if I can put another disc in there. I guess I'll get lucky.
Revenge. I'm telling you right now, boy, I hated that guy so much. And I got
Oh,
it.
revenge.
Got it good.
People like to get revenge on Bill Cosby. So, try one more time here. Let's eject this.
See, so Harold was coming down the street, and I was laughing to
Actually,
myself because I know how funny Harold is.
Skip to the next track.
Time, I guess most... Where's that? And I got it. Got it good. See, I had a snowball.
Alright, so I guess this wasn't such a good project, but you get the idea. I did get to show off my Bill Cosby collection, which, as I just mentioned, I'm very proud of it. I highly recommend as a very funny fellow. I have not listened to it. I'm sure it's going to be very good. And Revenge, I'm sure that one's very good too. I have not listened to either of them. They are from 1967, and 63. So if you want to hear what was funny back in 1963 and 1967, there you go. 1967 is when I was born, so when I was a baby, maybe this would have been funny. So anyway, I am not going to listen to them. I never thought Bill Cosby was all that funny before he started doing stuff to people. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave comments. Thanks.